How to add social media buttons to Wix. So for this case, just head over to your Wix editor and then click on this plus icon. Once you click on that, click on this social option and we have in here our social bar. So for example, you can just choose on Facebook, Twitter, and a lot more. But if you want your social bar, you can head over and then just choose this. So for example, let's add this at around the bottom of our page and then just drag this social bars right here and then just put them wherever you want them. And as you can see, they will be added right here. Now you can head over and click on this set social link. And then from in there, you can just edit out this particular picture. You can replace the icon. And then in here, we have the link. So you can head over and edit this particular link into, and then you can click on this one and you can also edit this one. And that way, whenever someone click on that particular link, they will be added to your actual page on that particular social media. So that's how you add social media buttons to Wix. Hope we help.